Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Adrian here, aka California Flipper, bringing you guys another video. Hope you guys are all having an amazing day. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day and clicking on the video. So if you're new to the channel, my name's Adrian. I go by California Flipper here on YouTube, and I just document my journey. I'm a full-time eBay seller, and I try to help other people make money online, and that's pretty much what I do. I upload daily, so subscribe if you're new, if you're into reselling videos and good content. So today's video, guys, we're gonna be pulling 5 items that sold for me on eBay, and I'm gonna be popping up comps and stuff like that so you guys can see how much I made per sell, of course gross sales. And also I picked up a couple items at the Salvation Army that I want to share with you guys, so I'm gonna be going through how much I paid per item, how much I expect to get per item. And yeah, so that's pretty much it, guys. Gonna be a pretty chill video. If you guys do like the video, please like and subscribe if you're new. So let's get right into it. So before we go any farther, guys, I just want to thank every single one of you guys for reaching out to me on my comments and Instagram, DMing me and letting me know like what I can improve on my videos. So I've been getting, I got a couple complaints, of course, supportive complaints, like people that support my channel, but they're like, hey man, your audio's a little off, or it's too low. So that's why I went out and got this GoPro, got the laptop for better editing. So I'm doing little things to improve my YouTube channel, and it's something I really love to do, share my journey and talk about reselling and help people out in the process. So I just want to say thank you guys. You guys are awesome, and yeah, let's get to the video. Alright guys, so I got about 5 clothing items to share with you guys, so let's get right into it. So this is a Fender guitar button-up shirt. It's a good size, 2XL, and I paid a whopping $2 for this item. All the clothing that I'm going to share with you guys, I got half off. So this is a really nice piece, has all the guitars on there, really cool, good size. I should get around $18 to $20 for this. I'll probably price that $19.99 with free shipping, so that should do well. Next item here, we have a Dallas Cowboys Jason Witten jersey. This is a Reebok jersey, as you see right there, and I paid, price tag's kind of ripped, I paid $2 for this one as well. This should go for about 25 to 28 bucks, and that should sell fairly quickly. Here's a brand I'd love to find and sell, but I hardly ever find it. But this brand right here does very well on eBay and sells for good money. Untuck It. It's a size large. This one's more of the cotton material. Haven't ever sold this kind before, but they have like the more dressy shirts, button-up shirts, button-downs, and stuff like that. But I'm assuming I can get at least 25 to 35 for this, and I paid $3 for that, so really good. This is a Patagonia men's plaid button-up shirt, really nice. The price or the size tag is ripped out, but I'm assuming this is like a size extra large. So really cool, organic cotton, really nice color, blue plaid, and I paid $3 for this one as well. This one right here, I'll probably price at $22.99, and that should sell fairly quickly as well. Now, my coolest find I found today, this is a vintage Pro Line San Francisco 49ers jacket. Really nice, has the nice San Francisco logo on the back right there. Another Pro Line logo. And the cool thing about this one is that it's reversible. I'm not gonna put it on the other side, but yeah, you can see that it is reversible. Really nice jacket. The only thing that it was missing was the hood, so that kind of stings, but I could at least get 45 bucks probably plus shipping on this. I paid $6.50 for this. So really happy about that pickup right there. So let's get into pulling some orders, and let me show you guys what sold for me yesterday. So the first item that I have here, this is a very nice Woolrich long sleeve button down shirt. This sold for $24.99 plus shipping, and I picked this up I believe for $3 to $4, something like that. So vintage Woolrich, I don't actually, well, vintage Woolrich does well, but when I find Woolrich with like patterns on it like this, I like the ones with horses on it, like outdoorsy themes, do very well for me on eBay. You know, I get 25 plus shipping on them pretty easily. This sold within a week, a little less than a week actually, and it sold for full price, $24.99 plus shipping. So really happy with that sell. The next item I have right here, guys, that sold, this literally sold within, I'm like not even playing, this sold within like 10 minutes, these shoes right here. These shoes sold for $34.99 plus $4.50 shipping. I've been kind of experimenting with shipping. Like I've been adding just a couple dollars in shipping just to do it. And seems like it's not affecting anything like in my sales or anything like that, because I usually do free shipping on all my stuff. But yeah, so these sold very fast, guys. I picked these up I think for like 10 bucks at a thrift store a while back, and they were in my death pile for a while, and I just listed them and they sold right away. So really good flip there. Keep an eye out for Adidas weightlifting shoes, especially the Audi Zeros do very well. You know, Reebok CrossFit for men's do well. So yeah, keep an eye out for shoes like that. Next item that I'm sharing with you guys, this is a pair of Shimano cycling shoes or road shoes. These always do well for me. I always tell you guys to pick these up. Someone sent me an offer of 30 bucks with free shipping, and I took it. These will go in a padded flat rate, one of these right here. So those will ship out for about 8 bucks. So really good flip there. I paid about, I think like 5 bucks at a flea market for these, if I'm not mistaken, like a week or two ago. So those usually always sell pretty fast with me. The brand is right there, Shimano. So yeah, cycling shoes, love picking those up. Next item, this is a vintage Oakland A's. It was new with the tags. This sold, this took a while to act, probably like almost a month to sell. I just took a best offer on it. The guy really wanted it for 20 bucks, and I just sent it to him. I think I had it up for like 35. So if I really wanted to, you know, I could have probably got 30 at least 25 or so. But I only paid, you know, a couple bucks for it. I don't know exactly how much I paid for it, maybe 5-6 bucks or so. So I'm not gonna make a lot of money on this, maybe a couple of dollars. But yeah, it's all good, man. This should fit in a priority flat rate, so it costs about 8 bucks to ship. So yeah, guys, not a big money maker there, but at least I'll make something on it. Alright guys, so the last sell that's going to be going out tomorrow, I'm going to get this packed up. This is a Ed Hardy long sleeve button-up shirt. This sold for 25 bucks with free shipping. Picked it up for $2.99 at a Goodwill about 2-3 weeks ago. And yeah, happy with the sell. Really nice condition. So Ed Hardy, you know, with these kind of graphics on it, you know, with the rhinestones, you know, do well on eBay. You know, 25-30 bucks on these. And yeah, so pick these up if you see them, if you can get them cheap enough. Don't pay no more than 5 bucks for these. I wouldn't. You know, 25-30 bucks expect to get on a shirt like this. So yeah, that's going to be it for today's video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you guys so much for taking time out of your day to click on my video. It really means a lot to me. Hope you guys learned something. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe if you're new. We're almost at 300 subscribers. Very blessed and just very happy about that. And you know, let's keep it going. So I'll see you guys tomorrow in the next video. Peace.